Also, today I'll be discussing about investment in an under constructed property or a ready to move in property. So, as we know, in any investment, risk and return is related to each other. Same is the case here. Higher is the risk, higher is the return. Now, a ready to move in property is less riskier than an under constructed property. You have the property in front of you, you know the exact construction quality being used, you know the exact location of the inventory that is being provided to you. You just need to check on the papers and you can go for buying the property. Whereas in an under constructed property, the risk associated is higher. There are chances that the builder might default. You don't know about the construction quality that is being used. You don't know the exact location of the inventory that is being provided to you. On the other hand, I would say the return in an under construction property is high. Usually, a builder takes about 4 to 5 years in delivering a project, and within that time span, the property appreciates by about 50%. Another thing I would say is that in a under constructed property, the payment is construction linked, so you don't have to give the payment in one go. On the other hand, in ready to move in property, you have to give the payment in one go. And one more thing is that GST is applicable in an under construction property, whereas that is not applicable in ready to move in property. So I would advise, in case you want good returns, you can go for an under construction property, but do proper due diligence of the builder and the project that you are going for. So bye bye. Thank you. Hope you like it.